All right, folks, we have a really nice chair here. So if you're looking for a portable chair, but you also need recline and headrest, this is called the Majestic IQ 9000 Plus Auto Recline. Again, this is the Majestic IQ 9000 Plus Auto Recline. This power chair can recline, as you can see in the back of the chair right here. You can actually see the motor right here for the reclining of the chair. So let me tell you a little bit about the chair. This chair right here, there's 2 batteries in here, and this chair is airline approved because you can take the 2 batteries out and put them in your overhead cargo with you in the plane. This chair here has a 310-pound weight capability. The seat on this chair is 18 by 18. The seat that comes with this chair is going to be black. This is the Taba brown color. You can also get the, this is really nice, folks. This is a really nice cushion. It's all sewed in, as you can see. You can order in blue, red, and black. Black is standard. Blue, red, and Taba color. And I think we have one more color with it. Black, red.
There's upgraded black.
Yeah, upgraded black. So if you want this type of cushion, upgraded black, then it would be it's a little bit extra. But this one here is with the upgraded Taba brown color seat, okay? So you can see the chair right here, and it also has a headrest, and we have 12-inch tires in the back. These are solid tires, 8-inch solid tires in the front. You have a little foot plate right here that flips up when you exit the chair, as you can see. You have a calf support right here. Your batteries are back in here. You also have a bag in front right here if you want to keep. There's a big bag here, enough to put a purse, a big purse in that bag. You also have on the side of the chair right here, you have another bag here that goes with your chair. You can put your cell phone, your glasses. This chair also comes, folks, with a remote, which pretty neat. This remote here, if you take this remote and you hold the top button down for about 4 or 5 seconds, you'll see the button will turn green. When the button turns green, I can drive this chair, as you can see right now, with this remote. I can actually let this chair go 50 feet to 100 feet away from me, and just as long as I have the remote, the chair will go wherever I want it to go. Okay, as you can see right here. So it's fully, so this is what the remote is for. Also, if you wanted to, if you have someone who cannot drive the chair and you want to drive the chair with the remote, you can walk next to them. Also, if you press the B button on the remote right here, the B button is for the back. So now you have the B button pressed in, you can use the up and down. As you can see, I can recline the seat from here with the remote, and we'll see how far the seat will recline. That's a really good recline, okay? Then if you want to bring it back up, you hit the up button. And then, of course, it'll make that noise once when you're reclining and you move anything, it'll do that noise. And now I have it back there. And when you want to get out of that recline, you just hit the B again, and now you're back here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this remote off, okay? And I'm just going to use the remote here to show you how that one works. So I'm going to hit this and turn it off, and we're going to put the remote away for a second. So again, as I repeat myself, this chair has a 310-pound weight capability. It has a top speed of 4 miles an hour. It'll go up to 19 miles on the battery charge. So that depends what kind of condition it is, how fast you're going, the weight of the user, but it's supposed to be able to go up to 19 miles on 1 battery charge, okay? Now on the joystick, you have a digital display, real easy to read. You also have a horn. It's actually a really good horn. And you have a lock. You can lock your chair. I don't know how to do that yet, but there's a place to lock your chair on here. If you want to recline the back on your chair, there's a button that shows you the picture of the seat. Hold that button down. And as soon as you hold that button down, you can start going like this. And you can start reclining it with the joystick. Okay, so if you're sitting in a chair, and if you want to go back to drive, you would have to change it back, hit the button again, so the blue color is on the wheels, means drive. If the blue color is on the seat, that means now you're reclining, but you're not driving. So if you want to go back to driving, hit it again, and you'll see the blue symbol will be around the wheel in your screen, and now you can drive your chair. So as I said, you can drive this chair. It goes up to 4 miles an hour. It's 21 inches between the arms, so you have quite a bit of room between the arms. The seat, as I said, is 18 by 18. It comes in 4 different colors. If you want this type of seat, now it will come with a standard black seat, or just a black cushion and a black back, okay? But if you want to upgrade it, I think it's $100 more. You can change the colors, and the frame comes in all kinds of colors. This frame right here, which this is the gold frame, comes in several colors. The width of the chair is 26 inches wide. 26 inches wide, the width of the chair. The total length is about 38 and a half, let's say 39 inches. The total length of the chair is 39 inches. So you can see, let me turn the chair in a circle. You can see it turning in a circle. So if you want to push this chair, what I would do is turn the power off first, and you see the motors are right here, okay? These are brushless motors. There's no brush in these motors. If you want to put it in neutral, push the levers down on both sides, and now you're in neutral, and you can see how easy it is. And you can also use this chair as a walker. So if you don't, and it's real easy, you see this? It's not going to run off on you. It's got a little bit of resistance, but if you needed to use this chair as a walker, and you want to walk for a while, or you want to push someone, it's real easy to do, okay? And the only thing you have to do is right here, and when you're done, always put it back in gear, because it's not going to drive if it's in neutral. Back in gear, and then you can turn your power back on. The reason you want the power off, there's going to be resistance. These are electric motors, so always turn the power off if you're going to push it, okay? You have tip wheels here, okay? And these tip wheels can be removed, and that's entirely up to you, but there's a little notch right here. You can push in and you can pull them out, but there are tip wheels right here. You can see the actuator for the seat, the back. You can see the headrest. The headrest can also be removed, which I will show you in a second. And it can also be moved up and down like this, depending what you need. We're going to turn the power back on, and I'm going to show you something else in the back of the chair. So let's just say I want to fold this chair, and of course it's a manual fold. There's a lever here, so you see that lever? It should be locked anyway, but what you do is you pull it up, and then, let me bring the chair back here, make sure the power is off. Let me back the chair up over here, bring it over here. Okay, I'm going to turn the power off. I've got the lever up in the back. All you have to do now is push it down. Okay. And this is your height. Okay. So I would remove the headrest if I were you, just to give you a little less height. And now with the chair folded, your high point is going to be 23 inches. So, well, you might be able to get more than 23. Let's just say if we push it down, with the headrest off, of course, I can bring it down to 22, okay? Without forcing it. 22 inches height, and the width, of course, is 26 inches. And the weight of this chair, the weight is there. You'd have to take the batteries out. So if you want to take the batteries out, let me pull it up so you can see it. So now if you put the chair up like this, it'll sit up like this, okay? You can see the 2 batteries right here. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 2 connections right here, and they both come out. You would take the foot plate. You would do it this way, from this position here. So matter of fact, I can show you. You would do it from that position. You can see the 2 batteries right there with the 2 connections, and that's how you would do it. I'm going to put it back down. I'm going to put it back in the drive position. I'm going to put this little thing back on the Velcro. I'm going to turn the power back on. The motors are 250 watt per motor, so you have a total wattage of 500 watts on this chair. So again, let's recap. But before we recap, when you charge this chair, you can do it 2 ways. You can take your charger right here. You probably already know this. You can take your charger right here. There's a cord that goes here into the wall, and then this plugs right here. Or you can also take your 2 batteries in the house and plug this directly into the batteries, okay? So you have 2 choices. You can plug this, leave it on the ground here, plug it here, or if you want to leave the chair in the car, you just want to take the 2 batteries out, you can charge the batteries in the house. All right, so let's recap about this power chair. This is the Majestic IQ 9000 Plus Auto Recline. This power chair has an electric recline. It has the headrest, it's adjustable. It has a little bag on the other side right here that goes with your chair. This one has the upgraded seating, the Taba brown color seating. This chair also comes with a safety belt, which we did not talk about earlier. Another thing about this chair, the arms will flip up on both sides, so you have plenty of room to get in. Okay. See this distance. The distance between the arm is 21 inches between the arm. The seat is 18 by 18, 10 degree of incline. It has a 19-mile range on the battery charge. So that's up to 19 miles. So if you're going uphill, you're outside, you're going fast, you may not get 19 miles, but it has a long distance. It has a weight capability of 310 pounds. The total width of the chair is 26 inches. The length is 38.5 inches long. And the folded down, the height of the chair is, it was 21 inches when it's folded down. You push it down a little bit, it was 21 inches high. We have 12-inch tires in the back. They're solid tires, 8-inch tires in the front. You do have 2 batteries. These are brushless motors on this power chair. And I mentioned the arms do flip up like this. And you have different colors. You can have black, blue, or red upgraded cushions. And it comes, this one here has the upgraded cushion with the sewing, and it just looks sharper. But you would get the headrest automatically with this chair and the auto recline. So if you're looking for a really nice power chair and you're able to lift 58 pounds without the batteries, this chair would be a really nice chair to use as a foldable, portable power chair. Thank you for your time, and hopefully this was able to help you make your decision. So folks, this is the IQ 9000 power chair. As you can see, I've never driven one of these with this, so you can see, whoa, whoa, showing off too much. So you can see how the remote can do, you can let the chair go quite a ways without you being next to it. And I'm just going to use right here, turn this back on, and we're going to drive it this way. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to do the recline. So you can see the back going back. I'm reclining the chair. So, all thing I was going to say is, it's nice to have the recline, but if you're going to use it to use the headrest, it's not going to be very comfortable. So I'm just being upfront with you, because the back right here seems to stop me from getting my head back to the headrest. And I don't think the headrest is adjustable any more forward. So mainly it's probably just, anyway, what I'm saying is the recline is fantastic. But if you're going to recline all the way back and try to use the headrest, it may be a little bit uncomfortable. It was uncomfortable for me. So I'm going to put it back in drive. So this chair, as I said earlier, the seat is 18 by 18. It has a 310-pound weight capability. It has a maximum incline up to 10 degrees. The arms are, the total width of the chair is 26 inches. We have about 21 inches between the arms. The joystick can go on the right or it can go on the left. You have 4 different colors you can choose from if you want to upgrade your colors. The frame comes in several colors. Just pick your frame color. That's standard. But the seat colors, that is what is a little bit of an upgrade. Tires are 12 inches in the back, 8 inches in the front. These are brushless motors, 250 watt each side. You do have the little bag here. The arms do flip up. There's a little button here. You push it and you can flip the arm up, and they're pretty much out of the way. So if you transfer from another chair to the side, you don't have this big arm sitting here even though it's up. It's pretty far back, which is great. So as I said, it has a top speed of 4+ miles an hour. It has a a distance of about 19 miles on the batteries. That depends how you drive it, what kind of condition you're in. So the top of the seat is 18.5 inches. From the ground to the top of the seat is 18.5 inches, which is nice. A lot of times, most of your power chairs are 21, 22. This is 18.5, so you are low to the ground when you're sitting in this chair. So other than that, it's a fantastic power chair. The only negative part is the headrest when you lean it all the way back. But if you just need to recline, or if you can figure out something with that headrest, put another cushion back here, you'd have no problem. So if you're looking for a really nice power chair, the IQ 9000 Plus Auto Recline is a really nice chair.